Kermit has been going crazy. He's wondering how these birds are able to scale the side of the cage, and he's been trying to copy them. He's been doing this for about 10 minutes. I don't know whether he's trying to scale the cage to get in somehow, or not, or just trying to scare them, or trying to take their toys or something. But he's gonna do it again. It's like, watch. Every time I get him away from it, he just goes back over to it. It's crazy. I think he's starting to think that he might be a cockatiel, and that he can scale the side of the cages. Like spider dove or something. He's trying to do it again. I thought he was trying to steal stuff to forage for a nest, but it just looks so funny when he tries it. Hope he knew I was recording him. He knew it.